This 2023 Ember RV Touring Edition 21 MRK is for sale today at Beckley's RVs. Starting inside, you'll immediately notice your sofa with removable tables mounted to the cup holders. The middle seat folds down to reveal space to rest your arms, but also a spot to charge your phone. Across from this is your kitchen and entertainment center. Here, you'll find a flat-screen TV above your electric fireplace. Moving along, you have a sink, a 3-burner gas cooktop with an oven and a range hood, a microwave, and a fridge. Located in the back of the coach is your spacious bathroom. Returning to the front, you have a second sofa and Murphy bed. Outside, make note of your exterior mini fridge and cooktop, as well as your pass-through storage compartment. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a like. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.